Was that the bite of 87?
Guys, I'm about to shit myself right now. What's up, guys? It's me, Chef Boy. And today, we are here today with something that is most, I mean, so yeah, it's right there next to Mr. Blist, whatever fucking his name is. I just call him Mr. Dummy, Mr. Dummy Man. But I guess his name is Blist, since it's right on his chest. Anyway, let's get the bag and open it up. The bag has no logo. It is just a white paper bag. Yeah, I mean plastic bag. I'm stupid, autistic, retarded, you name it. But we have it right here on my wrist. And we're going to open it up. Well, not the bag, but what's inside. We're going to see what's in the bag. Which I know because I'm looking at it right now. It's a big old orange bag. Not so big, but it's miniature. It's a Nikocado avocado would eat 5,000 times a day. I just had a voice crack. But anyway, we're here today with a bag of Takis. Yes, not a normal bag of Takis. Intense Nacho. That's what I meant by like mumps, and I mean. So, let's open up the bag and see what's inside. First we'll smell it, like we always did. So yeah.
Yo!
It smells nothing like nachos, but that's probably because I have sinuses right now. I'll just open this up like most people do. Oh my god, dude. There is not that much in the bag, and there's barely any, look! Look, man! Hey, Dr. Hario. Please don't eat the Takis. I'm trying to save them for a food review. No! No! Dr. Hario, stop! The husk. Clearly, like a fucking window. Dude, what the hell is this? I got this from Casey's. I'm never getting Takis from Casey's ever again. I'm getting them from Walmart now. This bag is like microscopic inside. Like, there's absolutely barely any. Nikocado would say, I'm gonna starve. But even with a ginormous full bag, he would still say that. You know, a bulge right here. And like, tusk, not tusk, it's not a walrus. Walrus whistle, by the way. Yes, you should whistle every day, just like a walrus. Or you can whistle like E.T. the walrus. I still don't know how he does that. He whistles clearly and as amazing as possible for 8 seconds long. It's mind-blowing. Anyway, here we have a Takis, and then Intense Nacho Takis. And 3, 2, So, it tastes pretty good. It actually tastes pretty good. No spice at all. It actually kind of tastes good. It's got the same spice of spicy fajita. No joke. The same spice. No, not the same spice. But the same amount of spices on a spicy fajita Taki.
Hey, I'm a viewer. Actually, it's pronounced crunchy.
Shut the fuck up!
This is very good. A lot better than spicy fajita. But I can tolerate spicy fajita decently. This is above average. Nine minutes. Well, it's like 8:53, but it's gonna be it's 9 minutes, like in 3, 2, 1. The video is 9 minutes long, and I just started eating. Are you serious? I might have to cut so much out of this, it's not even funny. So I can fit trampoline time in it as well. Because this video is probably gonna be 15 minutes long, and I'm probably gonna put trampoline time in this one because I didn't in the other one because I was too busy drinking the Grimace shake. And I couldn't do it because, well, Grimace would come after me. But I threw away the Grimace shake because I was molding, because I kept it in there for a view and forgot about the leftover shake. And then it started molding, and I had to throw it away. Yeah. Tasty. Alright. Now we'll just do spice in general. So not the husk, just the spice. So we're gonna suck on it. And then we're gonna spit it out. Just like Markiplier does. I don't know. I watched this Takis video. It's pretty cool. You should watch it after this. Because it's a lot better than I will ever make in any video I've ever made. If you're watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't like that way. I didn't taste anything. There was barely any spice on it. That was actually miserable. Wait. I don't think I'm tasting any spice. Stop me buying. Where's the spice, man? There's none.
Well, actually, earlier you said that there was a lot of flavor and that it was actually pretty good. Now you think it's disgusting. That's probably because that you can't recreate the first flavor of the first chip you ate.
Abracadabra, turn into a walrus. That's actually depressing. So, I'm not even going to explain it. I pretty much just explained it for you. I'm giving this bag, I'll rate it. I'm going to rate it a 5 out of 10. There's almost no powder on this, but the hint you get
It's pretty good. It is not intense at all. Barely even a minor. Barely even hidden. It's just not there. There's no flavor. But when you actually get to taste it for like a tad bit, it's pretty good. So I guess trampoline time, since this video is like 15 minutes long, well, you haven't even started trampoline time yet. By the time most videos are 15 minutes long, it would probably end by now. Well, no. We're doing trampoline time. Let's go. I'm back. I tried to make another trampoline time, but that was a little bit of a problem. My nemesis came around, and the shot was so bright, in fact, you couldn't even see me. It was almost like no one was there. We're going to change the angle away from the sun, so we're going to put it over there. You know what I'm pointing at, the hay bale right there? That's probably got maggots all over it and stuff. Yeah, that's where we're going to put it. So we're going to take my chair that I used for the other video, the other record that you're never going to be able to see, because, well, it's horrible. I don't want you guys having a bad experience on my YouTube channel. I'll never get the best video. Not even number 30. No. I'll get a number 30 at the worst. And one of my videos, number 1 at the worst. The worst video on YouTube is me. It's just my face. Any video with my face on it, worst. It could not even be my video that has my face on it. Worst. Worst video. Oh yeah. That's good. Let's go. That's good. That's good. What? What does this mean? Oh, hold on. Can't do it yet. That was bad. Guys, Doug. The fat guy's here, my nemesis. Deshaun. He's here. He's not. But this is scripted. This is scripted because it was in the other video. We're gonna have to be very quiet. Because he's here. We're gonna try to jump off the tree again. But you need to be quiet. I need to be quiet. We can work on this together, guys. We got this. You stay here and watch me, alright? Make sure I don't distract anyone. Make sure I don't lure attention. Make sure you don't lure attention. And if you do, I will punch you in the face and I'll shoot you with my shotgun. Yes, I have a shotgun. Not a real one, but I do. Not everyone. But anyway, he's there. He's gonna try to go swimming, and I don't want him seeing me. So, don't let him. Let's go. You stay here for recon, and I'll go up that tree, alright? I'll jump back down and make sure I don't make any noise because it's scary up there. Let's go.
Shit! Yeah. I think I made a little bit of noise. Just a tad bit. A little bit of noise. Not too much, right? Right. Alright, guys. I don't think I can go out there anymore. I'm sorry, guys. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. And I'll see you guys very soon because I'll be posting more videos today. Or tomorrow. I don't know. But whenever I post them. Goodbye. Ah!